I often hear home and business owners say they don't need flood insurance because they aren't in a flood zone. Well, everyone is in some flood zone. And just because you may not be in a high hazard zone and required to purchase coverage by a mortgage holder doesn't mean that you can't have flood damage. In fact, a significant percentage of flood losses every year occur in low hazard zones. Flood insurance for low hazard zones is inexpensive, and flood isn't included in any other insurance you buy. So it warrants serious consideration, even when it's not required.